हेलो बच्चों, इस वीडियो में सीखने वाले बच्चों ABC A to Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for camel. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for goat. H for horse. I for iron. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for net. O for oil. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for roach. H for sun. T for tomato. U for uniform. B for village. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. And G for zebra. Bye bye बच्चों.